This is related to Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. So this is days before Samajwadi president's birthday, that is Akhilesh Yadav's birthday. In the run-up to that, now there is a poster which has emerged, which has really ruffled feathers. This poster, which you can see on your screens, Akhilesh Yadav, viewer, seems to be the latest rising star in national politics after leading his party to a spectacular victory in Lok Sabha elections. Akhilesh has constantly been making headlines, and even as his bonhomie with Rahul Gandhi in the parliament, remember, is getting the spotlight. Right now, we're talking about the poster which has been put up. Now, his party workers have put up a poster reflecting him as the future Prime Minister, or giving him birthday wishes as the future Prime Minister. Now, that really has caused a massive war of words, because, you know, this is using his birthday, which is going to be falling on the 1st of July, as a peg to express their wish. Now, these are some carders, etc., who have put up the posters and banner outside the SP office. BJP seems to be suggesting that there is a slugfest and tug of war between the two parties or the allies over this poster. We'll talk about it and more. But first, let's get you a latest report which has been filed by our colleagues from the ground where this poster has been put up.
Fresh posters come up outside Samajwadi Party office and Akhilesh Yadav's residence, in which the party workers are wishing Akhilesh Yadav a very happy birthday. And they are writing, देश के भावी प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी को जन्मदिन की बधाई. Akhilesh Yadav's birthday is on 1st of July, and Samajwadi Party workers has once again raised this issue that Akhilesh Yadav should be the Prime Minister of India. And this is right outside Samajwadi Party, where around 10 to 12 posters have been put from Samajwadi Party office all the way to Akhilesh Yadav's residence. Here are some more posters in which the workers are demanding that Akhilesh Yadav should be the Prime Minister. And this is not just the first time when Samajwadi Party had a very good performance in assembly polls. Then also Samajwadi Party workers were demanding this.
And talking about the poster and really the repercussions of the same, because in case you were wondering what could this poster and the so-called posturing mean at a time when the government is already in place at the centre, the answer really depends on which side are you talking to. Now, BJP says that the trigger for such posters is Rahul Gandhi's elevation as the LOP. Now, that, according to the BJP, has made other India allies insecure, and they are now posturing. But the Samajwadi Party says that this is nothing but love of Akhilesh's supporters for their leader.
नहीं, देखिए, देश में सरकार बन चुकी है और ये कार्यकर्ताओं की अपनी भावना होती है किसी भी पार्टी की. हम सब समाजवादी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता हैं और हम जरूर चाहते हैं कि हमारा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष इस देश का नेतृत्व करें. यही प्रेम और यही ताकत हमको आज 37 सीट पे लेके आई है.
सोनिया जी ने राहुल जी को एलओपी बनवा ही दिया, बिना किसी से पूछे, चर्चा किए. उन्हें एक प्रकार से उनकी पोजीशनिंग कर दी. तो अब इंडी के दूसरे नेताओं को लग रहा है कि इस प्रतिस्पर्धा में कहीं हम पीछे ना छूट जाए. तो कहीं समाजवादी पार्टी अपने नेता की पोजीशनिंग, कहीं ममता दीदी के नेता उनकी पोजीशनिंग और ब्रांडिंग, इस प्रकार से अलग अलग लोग इस प्रतिस्पर्धा में आ चुके हैं. परंतु जो शुरू हुआ था हम साथ साथ है के नारे से, अब अकेले हम अकेले तुम पे आ चुके हैं.
All right, Adib is joining us on the broadcast with more details on the same. Adib, looks like the BJP seems to be suggesting that this poster, which has been put up by Samajwadi Party, perhaps cadres or well-wishers, projecting Akhilesh Yadav as a future Prime Minister. Now, the BJP says that this is the trigger, really. The trigger for this poster is the elevation of Rahul to the LOP position. Has there been any official reaction, or rather even unofficial, which has come from the side of the INDA allies over this insecurity barb from BJP?
Well, actually, if we talk about the Congress, because Congress has been tight-lipped on this issue, but Samajwadi Party is saying that it's the emotions of the workers that they are putting these kind of posters, and with these emotions, we have won around 37 seats in Uttar Pradesh, and this is not just about emotions. Actually, before the beginning of the Lok Sabha elections, many posters come up out there in Lucknow, which were saying that Akhilesh Yadav will be the Prime Minister of India, and once again, this issue is being raised by the party workers of Samajwadi Party. They have put not just one or two posters, but they have put around 10 to 15 posters on the Vikramaditya Marg, which is at where the Samajwadi Party offices and the Akhilesh Yadav's residence, and they are saying that Akhilesh Yadav is the future Prime Minister, wishing him the birthday wishes. However, the Samajwadi Party is also saying that even Akhilesh Yadav from time to time has said that UP has given the Prime Minister, and UP being the biggest state will give another Prime Minister. So this must have triggered some sense of in the Samajwadi Party workers, because Samajwadi Party being the largest party in number of seats in Uttar Pradesh, Samajwadi Party is the largest party right now in Uttar Pradesh. So that's why the workers of Samajwadi Party from time to time are asking and saying that our leader should lead the nation. The love which they have for their leader, they are saying that our leader should be the leader. In fact, some of the workers unofficially, they were saying that he should have been the Prime Minister and he should have been leading the India bloc. But Akhilesh Yadav himself hasn't made any comment on this. However, we have BJP who's attacking Samajwadi Party and other India allies over these posters.